What is that? Wait. Just take it! Go! Leave him alone! Okay, we're good.
He's gone. You're safe now. I won't let him get you.
Oh God, they're back.
You made it through the night. Heat up.
Stay there. You belong here. Goodbye, little one.
Wait, how did you... I can't leave him behind.
You're coming home with me.
This is your new brother.
Look! He thinks he's a dog! There's plenty of room.
Did you bring me my shoe?